Yeah. All right, look, man. I'm doing this shit kind of bootleg right now. You see, I'm playing it from my PS3 right now. But it's all good. Concept's still the same. Now, I don't know how many people out there know the song that goes to this beat, but I'm gonna rip it anyway. Alright? Check it out. I go hard for my city, nigga. You can't even see me, nigga. Go and grab my semi, nigga. Come and spray your city, nigga. I got 20 niggas with me. Any y'all fucking with me. Coming around your neighborhood. 20 shots ringing, nigga. Yeah. New Orleans in the fucking spot. Pistol right up in my jeans, and it's cocked. Hate when niggas run up trying to run their fucking mouth. Dump them in the river, swimming with the fucking trout. You a bitch, nigga, you ain't on my level, boy. Blind still spitting, nigga, call me Daredevil, boy. I go there with a boy, pulling hair with a boy. Top, bottom, left, right, fucking's in the air, boy. Yeah. Niggas know me in these fucking streets. Cock the 4-5 and knock a hole through your fucking teeth. I run with nothing but them fools that snatch jewels, cock tools, and give pussy niggas the blues. I'm a New Orleans soldier, big car roller. Give your girl good dick and all you do is hold her. She call me, I come over, throw me on the sofa. Then I drive my balls down the lane like a bowler. Call me king, cause I wear the crown. Niggas know I'm real, cause when they see me, bitch, I hold it down. You better watch what you say when you come around. 1 minute you standing, and next minute you'll be in the ground. You get laid to rest with 2 shots to your chest. You should've got you a vest before you came around here and tried to test my set. You know my niggas the best, yeah. And that's just, you know, that's part 1. More to come, you feel me? Check your boy out. 1.